Somewhere in England, there lived a family with 3 boys and a whole lot of imagination. 9-year-old twins, Parker and Toby, hid behind a couch in the living room as Fred, who was just 2 years younger, jumped into the room. "I know you're in here!" Fred shouted, peering around. He was about to look behind the couch as Mum strolled in with the vacuum. "Sorry, boys, go and play outside," Mum said. 2 groans from behind the couch as the twins slumped away. The brothers were annoyed that their game had been ruined. But as Mum clicked her vacuum cleaner on, nothing happened. The twins snickered as they went to hide again. "Not so fast! We have to go out and buy a new vacuum," Mum said. "But what about our game?" grumbled Fred. "Our game can wait until we get back home with brand new vacuum cleaner." More grumbles as off the family went to pick up the perfect vacuum. They found tiny ones, bulky ones, circular ones, and funny-shaped ones. Fred spotted a colorful vacuum, while the twins found one that looked like a long tube. "It's a worm on wheels!" the Parker cackled. The twins chased each other through the aisles with the worm-like vacuum as Fred chased after them with extension tube. Mum and Dad continued to browse. But after a full day of searching, no vacuum cleaner compared to what they had before. As the family pulled into the driveway, Toby was first to spot something sticking out of their neighbor's garbage bin. Something red. The Parker and Fred noticed the circular object and grew curious. The boys hopped out and ran over to their neighbor's garbage bin. "Boys, what have we told you about playing in garbage bins?" Dad called out, but the brothers weren't listening at all as they plopped the mysterious item on the ground. They all gasped as they peered down at the lucky find. It's a Henry the Hoover!" they all shouted with excitement. "But what's it doing out here?" Mom asked. "It just looked a bit scratched up." Mum felt sad leaving the smiling vacuum cleaner out in the garbage, so she decided to take it inside. The boys watched as Mum cleaned it right up. "Sometimes all you need is extra love and care," Mum said as she set Henry the Hoover down in the living room corner. "Time for bed, boys." But as soon as Henry was alone, the red vacuum cuddled up on a couch. Henry the Hoover had the best life a vacuum cleaner could ever wish for. He was already excited to see what tomorrow would bring.